Hi guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am going to show you how I make this refreshing drink using hibiscus leaves, which is called Sobolo in Ghana. However, in Nigeria it's known as Zobo, and in the Caribbean it's known as Sorrel. So let's get right into this recipe. For my Sobolo recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In my bowl, I have my dried hibiscus leaves. I actually brought these leaves from Ghana, but you can certainly purchase them from any Afro-Caribbean supermarket. And these leaves have some great health benefits as well. In this bowl, I have my brown sugar. You can certainly use white sugar or honey. I have some lemons, ginger, black peppercorns and cloves. I will list all the ingredients used in this recipe in the description box below. Using some cold water, I am just going to wash the hibiscus leaves and get it ready for boiling. I have added enough water to my pot, and now I am going to add the washed hibiscus leaves. I have added all the hibiscus leaves to the pot, and next I'm going to add the lemons, which I have sliced. If you have some sliced oranges or even pineapple skins, you can certainly add it at this point as well. I am now going to blend the rest of the ingredients. So in my blender, I have added the cloves, black peppercorns, and now the ginger. I'm just going to add enough water and I'm going to blend this till smooth. I am now going to strain in the blended mixture. I prefer doing it this way because the last time I had Sobolo, the spices were too strong and I absolutely hated it. So I prefer adding the blended mixture at this stage so everything can cook together. However, if you like to taste the spices, you can certainly leave this for later on. I am just mixing everything together and I'm going to bring this to a boil on low to medium heat for 15 minutes. Ensure that your fire is not high or else this will boil vigorously over. And 15 minutes later, just look at the richness from this hibiscus. Oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. Next, I'm going to strain. I am now going to strain the hibiscus, and guys, when I did this, the drink was still hot, so please be safe when you're doing this. You can certainly leave it and allow it to cool down before you strain. And also, the remaining part of the hibiscus, you can make another batch of the drink. As I mentioned before, if you are handling this whilst it's hot, please be careful. I am now going to add in my brown sugar. I'm going to mix everything together and allow this to cool down. Also guys, this is the point where you can also strain in the blended mixture. And that's it guys, you have yourself one refreshing Sobolo. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification icon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.